guys, hope you're doing good. This is the Bong Voyagers and this man today, his name is Priyankar and he is up to something. So what is he up to? So as you can see, he is cooking today. তো যারা ব্লগ দেখো আমাদের তারা জানো যে আমি ইলিশ পাগল বেসিক্যালি, আর এটা ইলিশের সিজন, অলমোস্ট সিজন যাবে। তো আই হ্যাভ বিন লুকিং ফর ইলিশ এভরিওয়ের and finally my man found ilish for me. Last time when we went to Shorshe, I went there to have ilish but they did not have, so I was unhappy. And you know, some men, they really know how to keep their woman happy, but thankfully I have one such man with me. So he finally found some ilish and he has been very sweet to accept to cook that ilish himself. Thanks to him for that. What are you making today, by the way?
Ilish bhaja.
Ilish bhaja.
We have it with plain rice and a mirchi, and it's really good.
Yummy. Actually, ilish you can have in any form. So there is ilish bhaja, there is ilish shorshe, ilish bhapa. So today we're just back from a short weekend trip and we're really hungry. The love for ilish helped us not to stop anywhere to have lunch, but we've come straight back to home. So this is the quickest recipe, ilish bhaja. Basically the fish was simply marinated in a little turmeric and salt and was kept aside for 10 minutes, and after that you can just fry that by heating mustard oil. So Bengalis generally love to have their fish in mustard oil. So as you can see, the fish really looks good. It also has egg, mache deem as we say, and I totally love it. And you can see how efficiently he is making that bhaja perfectly.
This is the first time that I am cooking ilish mas.
And
I don't even know if this is the correct process or not.
you look efficient actually in.
Thank you.
So I'm a little scared honestly to go in front of such hot oil, but he looks very confident. And
Actually that is not confidence. किसी ना किसी को तो करना पड़ेगा खाने के लिए. वही है.
some research sometime told, I read in newspaper that men who can cook are the most desirable, and I just can't deny. It actually looks very good.
Take the video.
বেশি হয়ে গেছে. So the speciality of ilish bhaja is you don't need a dal or a ghee, right? When you have ilish, you just can have that with the oil in which it is being cooked, because ilish has its own fat which is very tasty, that gets released in the oil. By the way, I have been following one channel post lockdown, and you also can follow. I'm definitely going to recommend. This is called the Bong Eats, and they make awesome dish. Even simple recipes like ilish bhaja, or katla mach bhaja, they will show. There is no fancy dish or something which is difficult to make, but even simple dishes like a moong dal, or how to cook rice perfectly, how to fry fish, sometimes helps people like us who are not very expert in cooking but who want to learn. So Bong Eats is a very good channel, guys. Go ahead and see. I watch that a lot. Plus I have a very efficient person with me who actually does not cook. He's apparently very lazy, but whenever he does something, he does it to perfection, which I really like. I just can't wait to have the ilish bhaja. So if you can see, there is no ingredient here, just a little bit.
Working, right?
This is working, absolutely, yeah. You just need to make it a little crispy because we're having it as bhaja. If you want to make it in jhol, like if you want to make a gravy, mustard gravy, or then you don't need to cook it, fry it this much. You can just shallow fry and then put it in the gravy. But because we have to have it like that with the oil, with plain rice, and hot plain basmati rice works the best with it. And as I said, the oil itself in which it is being cooked, you can have that in the same oil. So Bengalis will know this because ilish is usually the most favorite for them. For people who are not Bengalis but want to try fish, I think you can try this. Ilish ke bola hai Mache Raja, so it's called the most famous or the best, most loved fish. So how long will it take, sir? I'm very hungry.
I don't know, this is my first time.
So how do you feel like cooking for your wife?
Sometimes it's good.
Sometimes you feel very irritated, is it?
Twice in a year.
In a year? I know friends who cook every day. Why are you lazy on other times of the year?
I'm not lazy, I just don't like cooking.
Okay. That's okay. I can do that for him.
You can do what?
I can do that cooking for you.
Oh, thank you.
It will be...
Take a little more time, I guess.
Yeah, it will be ready in just a couple of minutes. We have 2 more fish to fry. We'll see you after this is done. So is the fish fry ready now?
Yes, Ilish Mach fry is ready.
And you're garnishing it now, right?
How? You see, Ilish Mach is not just a march, it's an emotion for each and every Bengali. So you have to eat it like just the way you should have it.
I can't wait. Can you please garnish it quickly? He's doing it with a lot of love and affection.
So this is the fat of the fish that we have got after frying it for a while. And simply put this oil here. This enhances the taste of this fish.
Trust me, you need nothing else. You can just have this fry with the oil. As he rightly said, Ilish is an emotion. It looks so good.
And you add,
Little salt and
your fish is ready.
the chili. This is important.
Chili is important. Chili actually enhances the look of this fish, this item.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Mr. Roy. Let's...
Let me taste it first.
You want to taste it first? Okay.
It's very nice. Your fish is really very good.
It's time for us to eat. So some weekends we like going out and eat, and some weekends we make food like this and we enjoy our me time at home, right?
Right, absolutely. So one advice for all the husbands: you can cook at least once or twice in a week. That will actually bring smile to your wife's face. Try sometimes.
Excellent. God bless you for this. Guys, thanks for watching, and do try this recipe at home, and if you really like it, do let us know, and keep loving us like you always do. Do share, do like, and do subscribe to our vlogs. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.